Hi there, Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group in Keller Williams, and I'm excited today to present to you our latest listing in Santa Clara Sterling Development, 2053 Roth Place. If you're not familiar with the Sterling Development, it's a small community developed in the early 1990s on what used to be the Old Village Green Neighborhood Shopping Center. 2053 Roth Place is a spacious 3-level, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. The first floor features a spacious living room with high ceilings, a guest bedroom, and full bath. The middle level is the main living area. It features a large kitchen and family room area with separate dining room, which is open to the living room space. The top level is where the primary bedroom suite is situated. It features a large primary bedroom, walk-in closet, and spacious primary bath. Also on the top level is another guest bedroom, a guest bath, and laundry room. The home is spacious and bright with light entering every room. The kitchen features oak cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, including a new dishwasher, and a center island with granite slab countertops. The primary bedroom is an oversized suite with a generous-sized attached bath, a sliding closet and walk-in closet. The bath features a dual vanity, separate stall shower, and soaking tub. One thing that should be mentioned is the homes in the Sterling Development are a PDU type of condominium ownership. PDU stands for Planned Unit Development, essentially meaning that the owner owns the structure and the parcel of land upon which the structure is set, as well as a fractional ownership or rights to the common areas of the development. There is a homeowners association and a small monthly HOA fee which takes care of the common area maintenance for the landscaping and private road. One of the best features of this home is how spacious and bright the home feels. The living room area with its high ceilings and windows gets lots of natural light and just feels amazing. It's also adjacent to the home's private patio through a sliding glass door. Additional features include central heating and AC, 2-car garage with automatic opener, dual pane windows, and LED recessed lighting. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour of 2053 Roth Place. If you've got any questions, would like to see photos, a 3D Matterport tour, or a 2D floor plan, please access our website 2053roth.com. For a private showing, feel free to contact me directly at 408-582-3272 or email me at info@thebrazilgroup.com. Until next time, this is Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group.